Hi Rick, here's a new thermometer I got. The first line is the time. You can choose if you want AM or PM. If you choose AM and PM, then you automatically get the temperature in Fahrenheit. If you choose military time, you get the temperature in centigrade. The second line, 69, this is the indoor temperature. And the third line is the outdoor temperature. Now we will go out so you can see where I have placed the sensor. So let us go outside. Now you stay in the Chief. We have placed it over here on the grill. And there are different ways to put it up. We just put it on this little stand, but you can get screws or you can tie it. I could tie it and put it up where the beams are. It is rain resistant but not rain proof, so it has to be shielded from rain. Okay, we go in again. Just bear with me a minute here. And here is Chief's crate, soon to be used. Then I wanted to show you my raw items. These are from Costco, and they come in pouches. Here I have 3, that's half of them. They come in pouches of 6. I only have 3 here. And I have 3 here of, I think it's either drumsticks or size. And I also get, I also get chicken tenderloins. It's not Tyson. It is Foster Farms from Oregon. Costco likes to buy locally, and also this way they don't have to freeze it. So they save freezer space and they make people happy by doing that. And let us see, where's Chiefy? Here's Chief. You can see how light he is on his back. However, when I go back and look at pictures from him from last year, he was pretty light too. So I think it is seasonal, and you see his nice pink color. And he's just crashing here. He speed ran for a while. Okay, I'll get back to you later. Can you say bye, Chief? Yes, my boy. Bye, Rick.